Imagine you spent hours trying to make your product look good with AI, and it still looked like AI made it. Here's how to actually fix that with Lovart. Look at this comparison. Interested? Let's dive in.
I'm going to show you how I built a complete visual campaign for one product, a fictional umbrella brand called Vortex Windproof Umbrella, inside Lovart AI. No Photoshop, no photographer, no mismatched outputs from 5 different tools. Here's the real problem nobody talks about. You generate a nice image, then realize you need it from 3 angles for Amazon, a lifestyle shot for Instagram, a UGC video for TikTok ads, and a white background version for your listing. 4 tools, 4 sessions, 4 visual styles that don't match. That's exactly what Lovart solves. I started with the Amazon skill. Instead of guessing prompts, skills give you a professional creative baseline tuned for specific use cases. The Amazon listing skill handles clean angles, consistent lighting, proper framing. I dropped in the Vortex concept, pushed the windproof, storm-ready positioning, and had a full set of primary listing images in minutes. Then I used multi-angle, which just launched and is honestly the feature that changes everything. I selected the umbrella on the canvas and used the rotation and tilt controls to generate front view, 3/4 angle, and top-down canopy shot. All consistent, all clearly the same product. If you've tried getting coherent multi-angle product shots from a standard image generator, you know how painful that normally is. This made it trivial. For lifestyle and UGC, I used Touch Edit. Command-click on Mac, Control-click on Windows, point at what you want to change, make surgical edits without rewriting your entire prompt. I put Vortex into a rainy city street, a subway entrance commuter shot, and a dramatic storm sequence. Background changed, lighting adapted, product stayed consistent. The UGC content I kept intentionally raw. Slightly handheld framing, natural light, real-looking people in situations that felt captured, not staged. That's what converts on TikTok and Meta right now. Text Edit handled the campaign graphics. I had a stylized headline and needed to swap copy across versions without touching the font or visual style. Same typography, same texture, different words. Fast, no rebuilding from scratch. For the Amazon storefront banner and ad creatives, Edit Elements let me fine-tune individual layers, adjust backgrounds, reposition the product, tweak CTA text size and color. Like a lightweight design tool, but AI does the execution. The full Vortex output: 1 hero listing image, 4 product angles, 3 lifestyle scenes, 2 UGC ad frames, 2 campaign graphics with headline variations. Complete campaign asset set, 1 tool, visually consistent, ready to deploy. Lovart just launched Nano Banana 2 with up to 50% off right now. Link in the description at Lovart.ai. Drop a comment telling me what product you'd run through this first, and subscribe so you don't miss the next walkthrough.